Still setting it up, sorry. Did MNQ go up? Yeah. I don't think it's going to go up. There's an X, so just be careful if you're in that.
Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
Hey, Prophet FX.
Welcome, Holy Bears Trading.
Yeah, my power shut off. Or if you guys are curious. What was bad? Yeah, bad weather, but it didn't look that bad. That power outage. There's a flag. Pole there. What is it? A brisk 70 in Texas? Ooh, that is cold for Texas. That is cold. Future Trader, what's up? I wish I was rich. We gotta make up all those losses we had. Okay, this should be a good one. Hey, green's green, right? Green is good. Alright, nice. Keep going up, keep going up. Yeah, take your time, take your time. And this is high. Let's make sure there's no more like scheduled news, right? Nope, not until 4:30, so we good. Unless a guest speaker comes on.
Daddy, chill.
This was kind of a loser. Was there any news during that time? No, just couldn't hold up. It's funny that gold's, knock on wood, been very nice to us. There are a lot of people streaming. See. Not really. Should have more people on. Everybody's probably tired. Was today a hard day? No, I keep coughing right now. It was a hard day? Shut the fuck up, Powers. Where did you... Oh. Come on, don't scare me. I thought you meant like 200 for the day. Negative 200, I thought you were gonna say. Ooh, these look, this is a second short here. I mean, technically, we're still in the fucking orb. Wow. What a tight day. Sorry, I keep coughing. I'm in nothing right now. I'm looking for a short on gold, but M&Q still in that fucking I know, right? Did I bring my water? I did. Ah, man. Yeah, so MNQ, the reason why this probably failed is because we're still in the fucking orb. We're about to test it right now. Miss Powers, I probably explained this 30 times, young lady. The orb is the first 15 minutes after the open of the day. So at 9:30 Eastern, which would be 8:30 your time. Okay, gotcha. It's the orb. It's the top of the highest point between those times, between 9:30 and 9:45. I was just messing with you. Rule of thumb is usually if it stays in there, it's gonna be choppy all day.
US money market fund assets hit record $7.42 trillion at ICI.
Ooh, there's your first fair value gap. Waiting for shift also. Usually if it stays in there, it's gonna be a hot mess. It's been a hot mess. Pretty wild how tight it went in there. I wonder what it's waiting for. What are you waiting for? Anybody know?
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader...
I gotta pause that one. Yeah, so rule of thumb is inside, chill out. Outside is picking direction which way to go. It just helps you so much with just staying out of chop. Now, if it wants to rip up and down, that's fine. There's some movement, but in between, no good. I trade both, but I'm looking at gold right now. I'm looking for a short on gold. Yeah, I want to look at today's the 30th, right? Okay, huge news again for Asia. 7:30 Tokyo CPI. This is gold. I kind of want to do a starter.
Order filled.
I'm going 3. If you want to wait till shift, wait for shift to go in. This is just a starter for me. I have 5,000 of drawdown, so I can ride this bad boy up if it wants this 4-hour high here. Unless you guys want to do one micro just to get in. I can afford a large pullback until we get that shift. Okay, 1 in. There you go. And then you don't want to get back that hard-earned profits, right? You're almost 1,000, so I wouldn't really go past 3 for 50K on you for you. 4 max, dead ass. If this trade profits, I'll follow. Damn, pressure's on, baby, pressure's on. What if I just what if it goes down 1 point, I'm $1 green and I close it? Does that earn me a follow? So tonight is Tokyo, CPI, Japanese unemployment. Those are all huge for us. 7:30 tonight. What's tomorrow? Anything good? Just early. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. But tonight's got good news. Yeah. Come on.
Does that deserve a follow regardless?
Gold's is 69% long on Top Step. 60% long people are. You usually want it to be like a little higher. I'm prepared if this wants to grind a bit, guys, so just don't size in high yet. Wait until the second anchor. What are you waiting for?
Daddy? Is that you? Orion, welcome. Holy Bears trading.
Daddy, chill.
While we're waiting, though, can we get those hearts up a little bit? Just 10 each. Just 10 each. That'll get me to 100. And then, I think we should at least do maybe that for our first target. Let's see if this gives us anything here. Interesting. Powers, you're the best. You rock. I wanna rock.
I want to rock.
And a fucking rose. Oh shit. I'm fucking rich. Appreciate you. Don't, it's gonna go without us, isn't it? I don't want to chase it, but ah.
Order filled.
And then I'm gonna add one more if it comes back. I'm in 6 now. Oh, that ain't coming back. If it does, I'll be really surprised. Any news?
Daddy, chill.
There's the anchor. I know, but it went down so fucking fast. Oh, thanks for the claps. Thanks for the cheers. Love me. You actually love me. Damn, I would have got so much more on
Nvidia
this
to
shit.
invest up to $1 billion in AI startup Poolside.
I don't even know what he says. Alright, well, it's too late to fucking chase this guys. I was gonna go 12. That shit just fucking ripped down on me. If it pulls up a little bit, then I'll get in. I don't think it's going to, though. Wait. Which JB is this? Bro, there's so many of you JBs out there. Never knew JB was such a big thing. That's OG JB?
Daddy? Is that you?
Or is that a new JB? Okay, new JB.
Daddy?
New JV, welcome to motherfucking Bully Bears Trading. Dianetta? Diane! We're being called Diane. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Miss Powers, thank you so much. You fucking rock. I wanna rock. Alright, we might be able to get back up here.
US Fed's Bowman moves to reduce bank supervision unit by around 30%.
No, thank you.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in 9 now. Let's end this power hour in a nice, good day. Have us all feeling good. It could, but let's look at the past history here. I mean, we swiped this really nice, but we do have. I don't think it's going there yet. We closed below that 5 minute here. We should have a little bit of a pullback here. At least until this. But you have... Eventually this is coming down here. What's the news about? I don't really see any new news. I know tonight is Tokyo CPI, which is pretty big for us because we're heavily invested in them. It has been very nice during Asia. $4K? Yeah, we chilling today. We're just doing our setup. That's it. We're just following the rules. Blast through this, and we are fucking gonna have a really nice ride here. Gotta come down though. 4031.5 is on a smaller pullback area. If it can rip down, we good. NQ started doing the opposite. How long? Lost me. First candle that breaks a low should send it down. I don't know what 8 I have mine at 0.30. Oh, how low? You could do that for your first target if that was a swing. I was hoping down here for this swing around this fair value gap, because the blue line is probably going to be here. If not, it's dropping down, so we might keep one open. Maybe we'll do 2 here if it comes down, and we'll keep one open. It's got to break through this though. Fuck no. I've been having... It's weird because gold, I hated gold for like a month and a half. Last month, I gave back like 25 G's on gold. But she's calmed down, you know. She's not ripping to the moon as much. So that's probably why we're getting nice moves again. Didn't go through yet. Just might want to pull back and hit this one more time. Gold usually does this down, up sometimes. It looked like it wanted to fucking fall. Yeah. That's gonna suck if it goes up. We don't know where this is. Hopefully it fucking stops there. So minimum does point to about 0.30. I didn't take anything. Maybe it's too strong. M and Q finally broke below, came right the fuck back up. That might have been the souls that M and Q needed. Staying patient. Two fair value gaps. Scary. Still gotta get to these yellow zones. If that was too scary for you, then maybe you should take some out because we're almost at break even. Totally up to you. But if that was scary for you, then you probably sized too much. Playing games on MNQ. Hey, orb lovers. Look at that. Why am I talking to myself? I always talk out loud. How you entertain? This guy Mata. I was scared. Wasn't scared, but it could start to gain momentum, so I'm also seeing kind of like a double top a little bit, but I don't know how strong that is because I really usually like to liquidity grab there. I'm so used to it. I don't really care. Alpha Daddy usually wins anyway. Alpha Daddy usually wins. Okay, so this is pretty divergent there. Still really divergent. Still got to get through this. Taking its sweet time because it's 3:40. That 5-minute was a hard rejection though. This is very bearish MNQ. Very bearish. That's like the 5-minute up. This is exactly what people fucking look for right here. Hammer. Break to the downside. I kind of want to fucking just put one in there. Just one, just one.
Order filled.
And then we'll watch it over here. If I get back a little bit, it's okay. It's not getting the strength there. Lower high is good though. Oh yeah, we rocking, baby. Ooh, made some money off that. Let's see if we can do like a little extension here and see where this can go. Ooh, we're already at the 1.6 though. Next is down here. I want to make this a free trade though. Yeah, my indicators give me confidence. It helps me make decisions.
Stop filled.
Okay. I did that there because I don't know if it wanted to bounce like this. That was for MNQ, guys. That was MNQ. X on the gold. Alright. So this could be a loser. I might not get what's his name's. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it?
Daddy,
Who said I was Oh, you already followed me, yo. You gotta unfollow me now. X means warning. X means warning, so it might go up. But until we get a buy signal, we're still okay. But maybe we can reduce this. It is what it is. It just didn't get the momentum. I don't know why. It looked fucking beautiful. It looked beautiful for that rainfall. Hey Liberty, have you noticed anything about the X on what's best? I've been trying to figure it out.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so now I'm only in 4. Do it this week. There's a hidden message with the X. Basically, the X means that the momentum to the downside has kind of switched. Doesn't mean that it's not going to go down. It just means, hey, we're going sideways for a bit. Chill out. What I've been doing is if I get an X and then a buy, I've been kind of seeing if I can get out. I don't use book maps when it comes to futures, and this is just my opinion. A lot of manipulation. They'll put like fucking however many, like 800 orders in, and then it'll disappear just to fucking trick people. So I kind of just use levels along with price action. This thing is so tight now. What the fuck? Well, I can see how people like book maps. Like I love level 2 book maps for stocks. Now that one's awesome. For futures, I haven't had a need for it. Yeah, this might go up, guys. Just be careful. I'm kind of seeing bull flag here now. Yes, I was a victim to it. See? What I like to see is once price gets to that area, if they're legit, you'll see it get fucking picked apart slowly. You gotta watch it though. It might take like 15-20 seconds. But if you start seeing, let's just say like 1,000 orders. You see that 1,000 orders go 900, 800, 700, 300, 200. Most likely is about to fucking short squeeze and blast through. You see a buy? What do you mean? Oh, on the 5? 5 minutes a little bit different story. But look at the 5. You see how it just couldn't break this 5-minute cloud? 5-minute cloud is very strong today. I want to guess it's gonna hit this trend line one more time. We have 3 minutes until MOC injection. I bet you this still breaks down. Yes, good idea. Don't ever rely on just that one alone. You need more than one reason. That's a great method. Now, if you were to do, you know, those orders along with candlestick patterns, like what am I trying to say here? Hammers, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, and then the 3-candle reversal, or not reversal. I'm sorry. More like a more like a continuation bullish move, or it could be bearish too. This thing got tight as fuck. There it goes, you bitch. Might come down to 820s. MNQ. So if you guys look, M&Q is out of the orb. The orb, if you don't know what that is, first 15 minutes after New York opened, the high and the low in between there. Rule of thumb, if it's in the middle, it's usually choppy. It finally broke below. Wow, this wants to go, huh?
1 minute now until we get the market's on-close imbalance.
Okay, the imbalance is coming. $30 seconds. I'm gonna watch M&Q just to have some fun here. Got 20 seconds left. MLC imbalance is basically injection by the end of the day. They'll show you if how many billions they put in or took out, and that will make a bearish or bullish moment at 350 exactly. You'll see it. Okay, so learn it. Or to stay the fuck out.
10 seconds.
All right, it's out. Most likely bullish.
Markets on close imbalance. S&P 500 buy side 453 million. Nasdaq 100 buy side of 1 billion.
Wow, 1 billion.
Dow 30 buy side 760 million. Mag 7 buy side 1.2 billion.
1 billion injection, and it didn't move. What the fuck's wrong with this? What's wrong with Nasdaq? Maybe they're waiting for the Japanese CPI tonight. But yeah, that's what I've been noticing. If X comes and then we get a buy, there could be a good chance that it's gonna go up. But we haven't got a buy yet. It's still kind of chilling. Chilling like a villain. Let's go.
So keep in mind, at the top of the hour, so in just under 10 minutes time, on the closing bell, we're expecting some big revenue earnings coming through from Amazon. Estimated EPS of $1.56, estimated revenue of $177.82 billion.
Amazon's
and
at
Apple as well, printing at
4 o'clock,
bottom of
guys.
the hour.
4 o'clock.
Estimated EPS $1.77 and an estimated revenue of $102.19 billion. So again, big earners, a couple of Mag 7 names printing after the close.
Yeah, Apple's at 4:30. I wonder if that's what it's been waiting for all day. It would be really good if Apple doesn't do good, then this fucking drops. What's my win rate? It's different every month. Like, say, August and July, 90%. September, 75%. End of September into October, fucking on and off, bro. Like 55%. It was not an easy. It was not easy. My camera's frozen. My camera's not frozen. It's probably your end. Sometimes, sometimes TikTok be laggy. This is still gonna make it, I'm telling you. It dragged on too long now. Come on. Guys, if you're not following, hit that follow button. Help me grow. I was streaming earlier today, but I lost power from the storm. Aftermarket dump. Dude, M&Q is going to be pretty wild at 6 o'clock. I mean, 4 o'clock. Amazon exactly at 4. Buy a generator? I actually have a Cybertruck.
Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
That powers my house. But I didn't think it was gonna be off for that long. It was only off for like 2 hours. I was tired anyway. Yeah. Don't judge me. I didn't want to drive anymore. I live in Jersey. I have no political thoughts. Other than if we get away with political thoughts, the man's a genius. He's always 10 steps ahead. You see that he recovered, right? I'm pretty sure him and Trump are working that out together on purpose.
Daddy, is that you?
Olga! Welcome, Holy Bear Street.
Yeah, gold is not budging.
We're now 5 minutes away from the closing bell, and earnings from Amazon. Estimated EPS $1.56. Estimated revenue $177.82 billion.
Wow, gold looks so great to fucking short. Do you think they have insider news already? Because all of a sudden it didn't move all day. Now it's starting to rip down. Gold's pumpkin? Can I pin that one? I like it. You think gold's pumping? It could. I'm gonna say if it breaks the upside, then I'm not gonna like it and I'll get out. This trade's been kind of... How long have we been in this trade? About 25 minutes. It's not going. Yes, funded. Slow and steady, right? I really didn't even go that crazy today. I literally just traded my normal moves. It ain't making up what I lost before though, bro. I gotta keep my head up high though, and then just stick to my strategy. Last month's been really rough for me. But I think we might have some you know, look at this. This was a great fucking move. We made like 2,000 from this. Not even trying. There you go. I wish I held. This is gonna fall now. I bet you the fucking news is out. Damn, I wish I held on to this one. I was saying right here is gonna go to at least minimum. I got pumped out. people's worst month. It was definitely my worst month. I just wasn't catching shit. But you know what's fucking really annoying is that if I stopped reversals and I just went to momentum trades, I would have been perfectly fine. So basically what happened was I sized up too high in reversals and I wasn't accepting my losses. Not a good thing.
Ahead of the close, S&P 500 extending full, down 1%. One minute remaining for Amazon earnings.
That might have been the get out right there. Just not falling right now. Get your ass down there. Earnings must be out. Earnings must be out.
Now waiting on Amazon earnings.
Unless they're dumping because they're scared. Divergent. Makes me want to buy. $8.99 brings it up. Fucking gold, bro.
Meta shares closed lower by 11% for its worst drop in 3 weeks. Seeing Amazon earnings coming through now. Net sales are a beat, 180.17 billion on estimates of 177.82 billion. EPS a beat, $1.95 on estimates of $1.58. Amazon Web Service net sales ex-FX plus 20%, estimate plus 17.9%. Operating margin 9.7% on estimates of 11.1%. North American net sales a beat 106.27 billion on estimates of 104.96 billion. Operating income is a miss 17.42 billion on estimates of 19.72 billion.
Free money.
Amazon Web Service
Free
net
money.
sales is a beat 33.01 billion on estimates of 32.39 billion, and physical store net sales of 5.58 billion, small beat on estimates of 5.56 billion. For forward guidance, they see their fourth quarter net sales at 206 to 213 billion, within the prior estimate of 208.45 billion, and they see their fourth quarter operating income at 21 to 26 billion, within the prior estimate of 23.78 billion.
So if you guys are curious on why I picked that zone right there, because you can see that it ripped right to it.
Amazon shares up around 8% in the post-market trade now. Amazon say they continue to see strong demand in AI and core infrastructure.
Safest bet was the first fair value gap after the swing. So I was picturing this was a swing and I took it out right here. Damn, gold fucking ripped up, didn't it?
Daddy? Is that you?
Again, Amazon shares climb as much as 9% as their fourth quarter sale view tops estimates at the
Welcome to
midpoint.
Bully Bears Trading.
What a bitch. Is this the 1, 2, 3 manipulation sweep?
S&P 500 futures pairing losses here again in post-market now as Amazon printed their third quarter results. Amazon says Amazon Web Services is growing at a pace we haven't seen since 2022.
I'm still in my original short on gold. I got out most of it. It just this might be the manipulation high though. MNQ, I bought that earnings call. And look, it went right to the 78. It's so funny how things work. So funny. Now the next big one is 1630 for Apple. Might go up.
Order filled.
I'm closing it. I want to see if it goes up a little bit. Maybe we'll get a little bit of this fair value gap. I'm longing now. I just gave you an MNQ play. You weren't watching. I mean, that was hard to follow though. I just got out at the top here. Yeah, I was just gonna say, should I take this free money? If this rips down, you know I'm freaking out, right? I wonder if this was the manipulation to go up or the down. Hard to tell. I'm kind of judging it off this fair value gap here. Just speaking out loud what I'm seeing.
Daddy? Is that you?
Damn, MQ just stayed there. It's gonna stay there until 4:30.
Mr. G, the God. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
Motherfucker. You bitch! You bitch! Yep, that was my problem. It was fucking playing. I still think it goes up now. Just want to see. Just paying attention.
US
Yeah.
Trade Representative Greer speaking on Fox Business Now says Trump put us on a path for stability with China.
Bullish. I will be switching over at 4:30 for this Apple.
Order filled.
The market is closed.
That's for Top Step.
Order filled.
I'm Fibonacci micro scalping.
Order filled.
Okay, I got it back. I got it back. Gold just didn't have the volume, and at the end of the day, it started kept going. We should have got it here. We were up $400 here. But I was looking for that $1,000 winner right there.
Netflix announces a 10-for-1 stock split.
Whoa. Usually when they do that, they want more buyers in to make it more whatever, and then they're expecting to grow. They usually only do that when they're expecting to grow. Sometimes they could do it for buybacks if they think it's going to dip, but most of the time it's for growth. You think? I think Apple's gonna be bearish too. Fuck Apple. I'm a Samsung guy, so yes. People call me poor all the time. It definitely didn't. You know why? Because they've sold the same phone for 10 fucking years. Ew, Samsung. Yeah. I get that a lot. I'm poor. Okay, so I'm going to turn off gold for now. It is what it is. If you're still in it, just be careful. Try to get out. I'm going to look for M&Q now. For Apple. When it comes out in 15 minutes. I really do want to try to short this. This would be pretty cool. But if it beats it, then we're fucked. Let's see what they're saying on Apple on StockTwits. Apple did hit $4 trillion though yesterday. And like they still don't have their own AI. They're really fucking far behind. I don't know who the fuck is running that place. You're like really fucking behind. They came out with shitty universal fucking glass, or whatever the fuck it is, glasses.
USTR's Greer says the US probe of China trade practices is moving forward.
Yeah. I don't know, NVIDIA and Oracle kind of taking their place though. I would love for them to fall, Apple. Not cause I'm a hater of what it is. What the fuck have they done for the last 7 iPhones? Tell me. What's different about their iPhone for 7 fucking years? No, they didn't even copy Samsung. They're like, oh, we got fingerprint sensors. And that's usually like colors. There you go. Woo! We got a fucking neon apple green. Oh, you got orange? Oh, shit. You balling. This is going to come down. You know why? You guys know what pattern this is. It's in every textbook, guys. Every textbook says that this is called the fuck is this? This is called the Bearish Dragon of China. Every textbook, any library you go to has this pattern. The puking snake. Agreed. That's another nickname of it. The puking snake. Every library you go into, this book's gonna have this, guys. Bully cooked? I'm not cooked. This is oh, I cooked. I thought you meant like I was cooked. I meant to say I thought you meant because of my my design here. Yeah, you never seen this before, Christine? It's in every library. Every trading book has this this pattern here. M&Q still going up a bit. We got 12 minutes. You guys want to do a poll? This is a real poll, okay? If you guys don't guess this right, you guys lose money in real life, okay?
Daddy, is that you?
I'm totally joking, guys. This is not a real setup. Don't take me serious. Does this look like a setup to you? The puking dragon? Quick poll. The puking dragon. All right, 5-minute poll. Pretend your fucking money depends on it, all right? Top left. I always fucking forget. Look for the numbers. Wherever the fuck the numbers are. Let me look on my phone. Wherever the numbers are.
In
How about
10 minutes
this?
time now, at the bottom of the hour, we're expecting Apple to report their earnings report as well. Estimated EPS $1.77. Estimated revenue $102.19 billion. USTR's Greer says spoke about chips with Xi broadly and briefly.
Okay. If you're on mobile, top left, there's a countdown. 4 minutes left. Top left. Whatever way we get the most, whoever has the most, I'm going to either buy or short it. So if we get more yeses, I'll buy. If we get more shorts, which means no, I'll short it. Real poll here, real money. Let's go.
It says Blackwell's not on the table for China right now. So again, USTR's Greer, Blackwell's are not on the table for China right now.
No, it's a paid news service. Oh, thank you for the share. Guys, it's a
shares
live
just
poll,
paring
top
back
left.
their
Look for the
post-market
counter.
gains now.
All right, this guy's got to be quiet just for a second. Top left, there's 3 minutes and 12 seconds. If we get more yeses, I'll buy. If we get more no's, I'll short it. We got 3 minutes left of this poll. Top left, all the way top left if you're on mobile. It says 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Just look for the countdown and click on it. Damn, why am I going in and out right now? I shouldn't. My camera's glitching. I don't know why it's doing that. Haha. More for it, Megaton. Ooh, right now we got 4 votes no, 3 votes yes. Nobody voted for C. Get a Samsung. Two minutes left. Who's gonna win this poll? Who's gonna win this poll? Did I buy it or short it in 8 minutes? Look on the screen. There's a countdown. It says 1 minute and 37 seconds. On mobile, it's all the way top left. Let's see if this gives me PC version. PC version still top left, I think. PC version. Where the fuck is it on the PC version? I don't know what's wrong with my camera here. Weird. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. All right, 30 seconds left to vote. 30 seconds left to vote. I look like a ghost in and out. The no's are winning. 18 seconds. Mr. Bastard, we're just voting on a poll. Should I short or should I go long for Apple earnings? Are you guys gonna make me money or are you gonna make me fucking lose?
If I lose, you're going in the fucking dungeon. You're going in the fucking dungeon. Alright? Put him in the dungeon. Winners! No! That means we're shorting. Should we short now? Chat, type in short now or wait until 1 minute prior. Got 5 minutes left. My camera's going in and out right now. Good. Anybody answer in chat? Should I wait until 4:29 or get in now? Try it now? Alright, this is your fucking fault, guys. Like I'm bleeding like a ghost. How dare you try to disappear me? Or should I see if it spikes up and then short it? If I lose money, that's it. I'm befriending you guys. Dude, what the fuck is wrong with my camera? Weird.
1 minute remaining for Apple earnings.
1 minute. $30 seconds.
Order filled.
You guys picked short. You guys did this to me. Ah! Whoa! Whoa! That said 350 at one point.
Apple earnings hitting the wires now. Revenue 102.47 billion, a slight beat on estimates of 102.19 billion. EPS $1.85, a beat on estimates of $1.77. iPhone revenue $49.03 billion, which is up 6.1% year over year. Greater China revenue a miss, 14.49 billion on estimates of 16.43 billion. Mac revenue a beat, 8.73 billion, an estimate of 8.55 billion. Wearable, home and accessories a beat at $9.01 billion on estimates of $8.64 billion. Total operating expenses are a beat at 15.91 billion on estimates of 15.75 billion. Services revenue at $28.75 billion on a beat on estimates of $28.18 billion. Products
Yo, that
revenue,
shit said 300 bucks.
$73 billion on estimates of 73.49
It didn't
billion.
fill.
That's a slight beat. iPad revenue, slight miss, 6.95 billion on estimates of $6.97 billion. And America's revenue, 44.19 billion on estimates of 44.45 billion. So that's a miss there as well. Apple also declaring a cash dividend of 26 cents per share.
Order filled.
Back in. Watch, I give away the $100. Come on! Yo, my thing said $330 and it did not. Oh, this is bugging, bro. Bro, 3K every 30 seconds, you'll be like the next. I don't even know who else to say. Fuck you, bro. I gave it all back. I'm still up. Am I still up? Yeah, but what the fuck? I wonder why it didn't fill. It said $330. You guys saw that. I'm gonna see what people are saying about Apple. That's manipulated as a motherfucker. Unless it was bullish. Is it bullish? No, I got out and got back in. I don't know. No, it says that it fucking beat it. barely beat it on products. Mac revenue, they were all pretty shitty. Yeah, it's just a gamble. I get it. Dude, my shit's at 330 bucks though, bro.
Waldy, welcome to Bully Bear Stream.
I don't think so. Look at gold. You piece of shit gold, bro. We waited all day for this. Just to watch it actually play out. I'm gonna be really surprised this goes up. And it follows a pattern. Every library has this pattern, guys, in the trading books. Look it up. Fuck you. I gave back. I must have fucking filled it at a weird spot. I was up $123 when I started, right? 41223. It fucked me.
Order filled.
Going one more short. Or do you think the shorts are trapped? It might play out like this and grind up. Do you think we go up tomorrow? I don't know. There's not much data. I think tonight is really going to matter. Around 7:30 tonight, Tokyo CPI comes out. And we're heavily invested in fucking Japan, if you guys haven't been paying attention to Trump. Damn, it's gonna go up, isn't it? As soon as I get out, it's gonna go down. You bitch. I fucked up.
Rise up, queen, let the crown bleed.
Got the reversal flag, but doesn't mean it's going to instantly.
Apple shares a raised decline of as much as 3.5%.
Order filled.
I can lose a little. Oh, this thing is just gonna keep ripping up, isn't it? Fucking make me puke. What makes me more upset is I'm pretty sure my shit should have filled. That said $330. That would have been way down here. Let's look at trade rate. definitely hit that area. Yeah, definitely slippage for sure, but why didn't it fucking fill me? Hoping for a tiny pullback here. Instead, it's just squeezing. Squeezing, baby. 15-minute highs here. Like, when do I close this? I even waited for the pullback, come back down, and it just fucking ripped up.
Daddy? Is that you?
Can't see your name, but welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
Insane, guys, insane. That was some manipulation at its finest, though. So what the fuck did Apple really do good on?
Order filled.
Add one more. So most likely tonight should be bullish.
Daddy? Is that you?
Okay, Megaton. I'm gonna meet you now. I made 200K just by my job alone. Goodbye.
Come on, Jaya. Welcome. Bears Trading.
Holy shit, this thing is bleeding me. Should I cut it? Gotta pull back a little. I mean, here it didn't pull back at all. I mean, we're at 26.1. Man, this thing's gonna go up, isn't it? Squeezing. As soon as I get the fuck out, it's gonna fall. You know it is. The raise is gonna keep squeezing.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, going long.
Order filled.
I'm squeezing now. We're probably going to 150.
Order filled.
Yeah, really big fake out here. Let me see if I can get a Fibonacci extension here. All right, we're right over the one now. If it keeps going, we're going to 250.
Daddy? Is that you?
Edge, welcome to motherfucking Bully Bears.
I'm glad I didn't add into that much more.
Apple shares extend advance to 3.9%.
Order filled.
All right, I got 5 left. We still made money in that short though. You guys picked really good on that short. Yeah, I'm back. But right, the icing was on the cake right there. You could see that it was just squeezed and it's too late. People like me that were begging for it to come down still. This was manipulation at its fucking finest right here. It ended up beating it. They ripped down just to collect the souls. God, they collected the souls.
Order
Just
filled.
gonna get out. That was an insane run. And it was slow. It's almost like they wanted to watch you bleed. I had the money to hold that one though, guys. Now, I do have a reversal signal here. If we get a fucking anchor, this can come down to adjust. It is 10 minutes left of the market, though. That's the issue. Yeah. I'm not sure why the fuck my camera is doing this. Yes. You can see by my profit that I made trades. Mr. Bassett, how'd you do on that? Did you end up,
Daddy? Is that you?
Mr. CJ, welcome to motherfucking Holy Band.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
The only silly trading I did today, guys, was this. That's it. Nothing more. This is gonna keep going up.
Order filled.
This is futures, NASDAQ futures, and this ticker is my live account. NAS 100 is basically the same thing, but this is MNQ1. You might have delayed data unless you have live futures feed on it. Yeah, MNQ1 is what I'm looking at, but NAS 100 is basically the same shit. Trying to get that. I was trying to get that little bit of a spike there to get out. I'll take my 20 bucks. At the one I'm on. NAS 100 should look just like this, bro. The chart should look like this, NAS 100. But if you were to, you just type in NASDAQ under futures, MNQ. But it depends on what broker you're looking at. Do you have trading view? What are you on? Trade locker? What the fuck is trade locker? Are you from like Europe? What do you think about CAPE? I don't know what that is.
Daddy? Is that you?
Sir, Andruma. Welcome. Bully Bears Trading.
I will not be streaming tomorrow. No. I got work. Today I took a half to be on. A half a day vacation. And my power went out. I was like, what the fuck? I have to burn them, that's why I'm using them.
So before we wrap up the US session today, then just looking at the market wrap. Wall Street slowed a stock rise, sending Meta down 11% on doubts that the viability of significant artificial intelligence spending. Bond rates and the dollar surged as Federal Reserve restrained rate cutting expectations. A sell-off in numerous megacaps drove down the S&P 500, which had risen $17 trillion since its April lows. While the US and China reached a trade truce, the agreement was widely expected. Meanwhile, equities produced a Hindenburg omen, a technical indication that occurs when a bifurcated market loses momentum despite weak breadth. During a busy week, Meta sold $30 billion in bonds with record demand. Microsoft fell on disappointing results. Alphabet surged following a revenue beat. Nvidia fell after Trump stated that he did not discuss authorizing sale of Blackwell chips to China with his counterpart Xi. Apple reported excellent worldwide sales late today, but revenue in China fell short of expectations. Amazon's cloud unit experienced strong growth, and Netflix approved a 10-for-1 stock split. The S&P 500 lost 1%. Yield on 10-year treasuries increased 1 basis point to 4.09%. The dollar reached a 3-month high, and Bitcoin plummeted.
All right. Market is closed, guys, in 2 minutes. If you enjoyed the stream, hit that follow button. Help me grow.
Become a motherfucking Bully Bears.
What? The, It's here on TikTok. I think my screen's going in and out on TikTok only. I'm looking at, my OBS, and everything is crystal clear. If you guys don't follow, I will find you.
And I will lay in bed with you.
Go ahead, Daniel. If you guys are curious and want to find out how I use my indicators, join my free Discord in the bio. In the VIP section, you can get it for 30-day free trial. 30 days is a long fucking time. Most people give you a week. I'm giving you 30 days. And then it's only $1 a day after that. 30 for the month. No, Apex. The only rule.
ANZ, Roy Morgan New Zealand Consumer Confidence Index.
Good luck. Oh, she got off. What was I gonna say? Daniel, no. So they have a 30% rule. Once you pass, they don't give a fuck before, but once you pass to get your PA account, they have a 30% rule. Their 30% rule is, say, let's take example, a 50K account. You're only allowed to have a max loss in one trade. One trade. 30%. So 30% of 2,500 is a $750 loss. So if you close your trade at $740, you're okay. And if you want to open up another trade, that's fine.
Daddy? Is that
They just don't want gamblers to hold that trade and have faith that it's gonna come back. That's a gambling way, and some people can make a lot of money like that, so they don't want that. And it's a good way to get rid of the gamblers. And you can't blame them. I mean, if somebody gets a fucking 150K account and they got 5 Gs and they just fucking let it rip, you're gonna have an issue. That's the only thing, is just stay by the 30% rule. And it's a soft rule. You don't have to stop trading, but you'll have to start your 8 days of trading again, if that makes sense. Like, it's happened to me before. I had $9,000 in the account. I go to request a payout, and they said that I held a larger move than I should have, and I did. But what I did was, for the next 8 days, I just traded much smaller. Made sure my trades were less than 300, and I ended up making up another fucking 6K. Trading smaller. So it's just a soft rule. You don't lose your money, but they want you to start your 8 days of payout again. No, you can make as much money as you want. On the 5 rule. I don't know. It's just make it simple. 30% of your max account. They don't want you to have more than a $750 loss in one trade. So if you closed it and then reopened up another one, you're okay. You can make it back. And if you do accidentally go past $750, it's just a soft rule. You can keep making the money, but when you go to do that payout, they want 8 days straight of clean trading, no more than $750. They also got a rule too. Your max one day can't be more than 30%, which is really hard to do. They don't want you to make 20 Gs in one day, and then for the rest of the days you got no wins at all. It's almost like real trading. If you're a real trader, it's not a fucking problem. There's some people that, some guy just took out fucking $2 million payout from Apex. They definitely pay. They're actually still have the record for the most payouts every month. I might try to hop on around 7. I'm not sure yet exactly. Thanks for the roses. I do have a lot of things I gotta do, but it is raining out, so I usually do like a 2-mile walk with my dogs, but I'm not doing that in the fucking rain. You can make as much money as you want. But yeah, I would say like a 3K would probably be a maximum. Ha, DJ. It happens, bro. It happens. You go crazy. Your dog sitter trying to kidnap my dog. I go over there and fucking beat the shit out of him. Are they trying to kidnap your dog because they like him so much, or they think you're a bad person? I have a rotating schedule, DJ. In my free Discord in the bio, it has my schedule. I will be talking through text messages in Discord or Trading General Chat tomorrow. Next week, I will be on Monday through Thursday. Oh. What kind of dog you got? How much is that dog in the window? But yeah, if you ever have questions in Discord, we can help you. I am coming out with a really quick course. It's just taking me a little bit longer than I expected. I didn't realize how much fucking work it is. Golden Retrievers, yeah, they're amazing. I'm watching my mother-in-law's Great Dane for 3 weeks. He hates going back. He loves it here because he fucking is excited for the walks and all that good shit. Alright guys, I'm gonna get off. I gotta go eat dinner. I'm fucking starving. Other than that,
Holy Bears is out. Deuces.
Daddy, chill.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.